Ancestral property, a legacy passed down generations, often becomes a source of pride. And sometimes, conflict. In 2025, the law around partitioning such property has taken significant turns. These changes could affect your rights, your obligations, and even the cost of dividing family assets. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. Today, I will take you through the 2025 legal amendments and key judgments on ancestral property partition, so you clearly understand what's changed, what remains the same, and how these developments might impact you or your family. 2. What exactly is ancestral property? Before we explore the amendments, it's important to understand the meaning of ancestral property. Under Hindu law, ancestral property is the property inherited through 4 generations of male lineage, and it must remain undivided for it to be classified as such. If a property is gifted, willed, or purchased individually, it is not ancestral property. The key point: once ancestral property is legally partitioned, your share becomes self-acquired property, meaning you have complete control over it. This principle was strongly reaffirmed by the Supreme Court in 2025. 3 major 2025 court decisions. Let's go through 2 landmark cases from 2025 that have shaped the way ancestral property law is understood. 3.1 The Bengaluru Case, Supreme Court, April 2025. After a legal battle spanning 31 years, the Supreme Court ruled that once partition is done, your share becomes self-acquired property, and you can sell it without seeking anyone's consent. This decision gives clarity to thousands of families who face resistance even after lawful division of property. 3.2 The Rajasthan High Court Case, August 2025. In another important decision, the Rajasthan High Court upheld the right of a tribal woman, Manni Devi, to inherit ancestral land. Earlier, certain statutory provisions had excluded women from tribal inheritance. The court declared such exclusion unconstitutional, reinforcing the principle of gender equality in inheritance rights. 4. Fee reforms and state-level changes. Partition isn't only a legal process, it can also be a financial burden. 2 major state-level reforms in 2025 are making this easier. Maharashtra, the state waived registration fees for agricultural land partitions. Earlier, the fee was 1% of the property value, capped at 30,000 rupees. Now, only a nominal stamp duty of 100 rupees applies. This change benefits over 70 lakh farming families and encourages formal registration of property divisions. Uttar Pradesh proposed a proposal aims to introduce a flat 5,000 rupee stamp duty for mutually agreed ancestral property partitions, a huge reduction from earlier rates that went up to 7% of property value. These reforms encourage out-of-court settlements and quicker dispute resolution. 5 key legal principles that remain. While 2025 brought important clarifications, the core principles of Hindu succession remain unchanged. Under the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, daughters are equal coparceners by birth, just like sons. This right is irrespective of marital status and applies even if the father passed away before 2005, as confirmed by the Supreme Court in the Vinita Sharma vs. Rakesh Sharma 2020 case. Partition can be done either through mutual agreement or by filing a partition suit in court, with physical division or sale and distribution of proceeds. 6. Practical impact on you. So, what do these changes mean for you in practical terms? If your family property has been partitioned, you now have clear authority over your share. You can sell or gift it without family approval. If you are a daughter or tribal woman, 2025 strengthened your position in law, removing discriminatory barriers and reaffirming equality. If you live in Maharashtra or Uttar Pradesh, you benefit from reduced fees, making formal partition affordable and efficient. If you are planning a partition, the legal routes remain the same: agreement deeds, registration, or court suits, but with clearer rights and in some states, lighter financial obligations. 7. Recap. Partition turns ancestral share into self-acquired property. Women, including tribal women, now have stronger legal protection. Maharashtra and UP have eased the cost burden of partition. Core procedures under succession law remain intact. 8th conclusion and call to action. Understanding ancestral property laws is not just about avoiding disputes, it's about protecting your rights. The 2025 amendments and judgments give us more clarity than ever before. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.